Hi y'all, it's Isabel, the tour guide and receptionist at the Lucas Mansion, and I'm here bringing you your announcements for the week. So the first thing we have is the Kids Arts and Crafts, so that is going to begin October 2nd from 4 to 5 p.m. and it's a 5-week classes on Thursdays. And the second thing we have is our Seasonal Wellness Herbal Make and Take workshop, and that's going to be Saturday, October 4th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then we also have our Christmas Painted Barn Quilt workshop. So basically it's just like the regular barn quilts, but with a nice festive touch to it. And that's going to be Friday, November 14th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And we also have our Kids Market, which is Saturday, November 15th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So kids can have a vendor booth and you can come shop and look for Christmas gifts perhaps. And then for our ongoing classes, we have our line dancing, which is Monday 6:30 to 9 p.m. and that is $5 at the door. And then we also have our Jam Junior Appalachian Musician classes, Tuesdays 4 to 5 p.m. that you can call for availability for that. And our pottery classes, which are Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, and you can call for availability for that as well. And that's all I have for y'all this week.